You smell that? Smell how nice it is in here? I'm sure you can't smell it. It does smell very nice in here. All I had to do was add water to this thing and some farm apple pumpkin oil. And I had like a mini one of these, and this one's so much nicer than the mini ones because I don't have to fill it up nearly as often. The mini ones, I feel like they would be gone like that. This thing has a real big reservoir, and you can see it changes color. That's why I got the lights off in here, so you can kind of see the color change and everything like that. Usually I'll have it on the back side of my monitors just for the video. I just wanted to throw it up here. It has a on button if you just want to have it on, and then it has a timer as well. And then you can turn the light off if you want to as well. And then you can change the light colors by pressing it. Or just let it go. On the first click, it's just going to go through all the different colors. And you see, you got the nice little smoke here coming out. See how nice that pattern is? I really like this thing. I think I'm going to buy like 2 of them for my other desk and my office at work. Super, super nice. Let me show you guys the inside. You can see how big this reservoir is. You can fill this thing up to the tippy top, put some oil in it, and it's going to last a very long time. Turn that back on. So that is this infuser. I think it's super nice. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.